What's up, YouTube? It's Coach Oliver, aka Ambition Oliver, coming at you with another video. In today's video, all right, you saw the title. This is literally the best, all right, and the safest, the quickest, but the best version of how you change the brakes on a Jeep Grand Cherokee. All right, so my Jeep Grand Cherokee is a 2014, but this works from 2011 to 2021. All right, so one big thing I gotta tell you about. All right, you have to know this. This is a secret. All right, this is a secret that Chrysler didn't want you to know. They want you to struggle. All right, they want you to take the vehicle to the shop. This is why. All right, so in the front is literally a hex 11. All right, it is a hex 11. So it is so hard to find a hex 11. All right, and then in the back it's a 7mm. If you go to AutoZone and they'll tell you, hey, yeah, it's a hex 7 or whatever, that might not be the case. So make sure you check it out. It's so easy. All you have to do is pop that little plastic piece off in the front. Like I'm gonna show you. We're gonna pop that plastic piece, and then you can actually go and ask them, say, hey, can I stick this in and see if it fits? And if it fits, then that's what you need to use. All right. But without further ado, let's get this started. What I'm gonna do is gonna be able to take this cap off right here. All right. This cap, you can see it. I'm gonna take this cap off. Okay, that's off. There's another one at the bottom. Right here. All right, that's off. Now you might have trouble at the bottom because if you look, there's no room right there. All right, so you might have a little trouble at the bottom. This right here is the H7. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick it in there. And I'm gonna start loosening it, but I'm not gonna loosen it all the way. All right, so I'm gonna hand loosen the rest of it. Okay, I loosened it just a little bit. All right, so the whole purpose, what you want to do is you want to go in, and I got this special little ratchet. All right, so I went in with the H7 for this back piece. I tightened it just a little bit where I can just literally use my hand to untighten the rest of it. You can see a screw coming out. It's right there. All right. So we took out the two, right? We took out this one from the top. We took the one out from the bottom. I got it hanging out just a little bit. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually pinch on this. We're gonna pinch it forward. And when we pinch it forward, then it'll spring out. Just like that. All right? You can put your hand on it, stop it from doing all that, but you can just spring it out. Just like that. All right, so now I'm gonna grab this caliper, all right, and this right here, all right, is the piston. So what I'm gonna do with this piston right here is I'm gonna get this tool and I'm gonna push it back. You can find little homemade tools and stuff like that, but I got this from O'Reilly's and I spent $60, $69 to be exact. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push this piston back. The reason for this is because the new brake pad that you're putting in is gonna be bigger. All right, set that bad boy right there. This is easy. Just take it off just like that. You saw that on this, the piston, this goes inside the piston. All right. So now, I get my new pads. This part, this metal clip is gonna be at the top. That's gonna be at the top. All right, so let's grease it up a little bit. So I want to aim for any place that vibrates. So anything that's going to vibrate. So I'm going to hit here. I'm going to hit here. I'm just going to get a little bit in the inner. Just a little bit. Alright, and I'll put this in here. Just like that. That's done. Now I'm doing the same for this one. Alright, there. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this back in the piston, alright? So, how I have it flat down, just like that, and I'm going to push it in. Just like that. And then this is going to go back right here. And remember, see, these are the screws. Alright, I'm going to line it up and twist the screws back in there. Alright, so good. Now the other thing is, after we put this on, if you're only doing one brake, then what you do is put that tire back on, all other stuff. You actually push on the brake pedal a couple times, and that fluid will be able to push through and push that piston to be able to be pressed against it. All right, so with this, these go out, this goes on top of that, and you pinch them in. So I pinched it in, and pushed down. All right, looks great. All right, so this one is going to be absolutely easy. All right, the back one, of course, was a hassle, but this front tire is the tire, baby. This is going to be the quickest one. This one uses a H11, the Hex 11. The back one uses the Hex 7. All right, so this is going to be the easy one. There's nothing trying to block it from being able to take that bottom one off. All right, take these caps off. So I'm going to take that cap off right here. Take this cap off right here. All right, so I'm gonna pinch this, and then I'm gonna pretty much pull it back. God dang. All right, so here we go. There's a little gap in the inside of that, so when you're pushing it, you're trying to lift this out of that lip. So now we'll take off this bad boy. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push it all the way back. The reason pushing it back is because of the fact that the new brake pad is going to be thicker. So and that'd be this one right here that has these push-ins, so that way you can tell the difference. All right, looks good. Piston's been pushed back. All right. Got it, good. So now I'm gonna grease this bad boy up. Oops. So I'm gonna grease it up. Anywhere that's gonna vibrate. All right, same thing with this one. All right. So now I'm about to replace this pad with this pad right here. So just pop that out. And on this one, the little hinge is at the bottom. All right. Now, I'm just gonna rotate this, push it in like this. All right. Make sure these are pushed back, or you can take them out. That's good. That's good. Now I just gotta tighten them back. tighten that one. And now I'm about to tighten this other one. Okay, good and tight. Like I said, the back one's gonna be harder because there's gonna be that in the back of it. All right, last but not least, grab this. There you go. All right, and see how it's kind of loose-ish? In order for you to make it tighter, all you have to do is go push on the brake pad. Make sure you check your brake fluid level when you get done with this. All right. And I like to inspect it. No movement. It's on there good. All right, that's it. Appreciate you watching this video. Literally, if you see my shirt, I paused this game to do this. All right, so make sure you like, subscribe, check all the other videos out. Hopefully you like them. If you got comments on the video, let me